Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Pro Stock Nova that's made by ERTL or ERTL American Muscle and a 1/2/18 scale. I've shown a Nova before, but that one was Pro Street, so if you like those Pro Stock cars, those drag racing cars, don't miss this video. And also give me your like, which is very important, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell for news. So let's take a better look at this car. Let's unbox it. Here we have the Nova, which is quite different from that one I've shown before. Same color. So I have this coupe on the hood and the wheelie bars in the back, as we can see, so the car won't go up too much when it drag races. Wheels and tires, and very nice car really. And as we look at the front, we can see the grille is 1966 grille, just like that one we've seen before. It's pretty much stock. 67's got a trim that goes all the way from right to left. Blinkers and bumpers, all the same thing, really. The hood that comes out as a lift off, actually. So we take it off, it's made in die-cast. And we can see the engine, which seems to be a big block engine with double carburation. I think it's a double 4 barrels. I'm not quite sure of it. 2 air filters. Looks very nice. Radiator and radiator hose, alternator, shocks, and all that stuff. Really, it's a pretty nice car. Nice wheels and tires. Look very nice with this car. Windshield wipers are a little misaligned, but okay. And as we open the passenger door, we can take a look at this black interior, which is quite simple, but it looks good. Seats tilt. There's a roll cage. A headliner is just a simulation made in acrylic. Dashboard, which looks pretty good. Really is a quite simple interior, but well made. And we can see headliner. A carpet was just made in plastic. The seats are made in plastic. A door and the hinge is simple. The door panel is quite simple, just like in a plain car, and door closes correctly. Rear tire and the rear with the tail lights and the trunk lid that opens. The trunk is pretty simple. Inside is just a little modified for the bigger tires in the back. It's all made in black plastic and closes correctly. The wheelie bars, and opening the driver's door, we can see the stock steering wheel, the seats, a steering wheel that steers, and the dashboard, and the pedals. It's a clutch, brake, and gas. It's a mechanical transmission. It's 4 on the floor probably. The seats look pretty realistic. Tilt as well. Roll cage. There's no back seat. It's a pretty nice interior. Pretty nice car. Door closes correctly. And the bottom of a car with those different mufflers. The engine and tranny, a fixed drive shaft, and the slick tires in the rear, and regular tires in the front, a little bit thinner, wheelie bars, and engine and tranny, steering system that steers, as we saw before. So it's a pretty good car, really. It's well made. Let's put the hood back and take a better look at this car. And I would say that from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 9. I wouldn't really give it 10 because it's got some issues, just like that right side windshield wiper, which is misaligned. That's a small issue, and the difference in tones of painting between doors and the quarter panel and front fender, but still a very nice looking car. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which is very important for my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next video. And as usual, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.